According to data from Counterpoint Research, Apple's iPhone has overtaken Android devices to account for more than half of all smartphones used in the United States. The number of active installed iPhones topped the 50% mark in the quarter ended June, while about 150 other mobile brands using Google's Android operating system, led by Samsung and Lenovo, accounted for the rest. Compared to year-over-year sales, an active installed base is an even more important sign of Apple's competitive slowdown in the smartphone market, as it takes into account limited users. Introduced into the Apple ecosystem through the used phone market as well as by users of iPhones purchased many years ago. According to the NPD Group, Android phones hit the market in 2008, a year after the iPhone launched, and overtook iOS-installed platforms in 2010. In the previous 3 years, phone sales were led by Nokia and Motorola. Windows and BlackBerry dominate. The iPhone has made Apple the largest company in the world, with a market capitalization of $2.5 trillion. By 2020, the number of iPhones installed worldwide has exceeded 1 billion devices. CEO Tim Cook recently said that Apple has set a 6th quarter record for switches, or consumers switching from Android to iOS. Apple will announce the next-generation iPhone 14 series at its Far Out Media event on Wednesday, September 7, where it is also expected to launch the Apple Watch Series 8. For all top stories, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon. Also leave a comment for us below. We will appreciate.